Hi, Lightning Leaders, and welcome to yet another tutorial video. With this video, I want to talk about Zearn again. A lot of you are doing a really great job with Zearn, but I'm seeing that some of you are still confused about what's being asked of you. So I have a student view of Zearn queued up and ready to go. This time I didn't have to log in as a student this time because Zearn actually has a feature where the teacher can click on and make this whole student view. So I went through and did a whole lesson for you to show you what it's going to look like when you finish a lesson. Now, Zearn started me as a fourth grader on the very first lesson of the very first unit. So if I go to my stuff, I'm all the way over here in grade 4, mission 1. You're going to be all the way in mission 5 if you are someone that I assigned there. Others of you are in different spots, but wherever this little unlock symbol is where I have assigned you to start. There's all these other lessons that you could possibly do, but where the unlock symbol is when you go to my stuff, that is the lesson that you've been assigned to do. And each day, I would like you to do one lesson. Now, one lesson is a whole bunch of different things. If you see here, I've already completed lesson 1. And if I click on the circle, it's going to pop up here and see that I did the math chat and the Tower of Power. The math chat is the lesson, and the Tower of Power is kind of like our problem set. So if I go back to the whole next up thing, it's showing me that this number gym is what's next. That's the beginning of lesson 2. This is not one lesson. This is the warm-up activity. Before I was able to complete lesson 1, I had to do a number gym, I had to do a sprint, a math chat, and a Tower of Power. That's 4 things I had to do to complete one lesson. I'm seeing a lot of you are logging in, you're doing the number gym, and then you're logging out. That is not a lesson. This is an activity within the lesson. So you need to make sure that this little bubble here has been highlighted and it's colored in to know that the lesson is done. You'll get this little notification that says lesson complete when the lesson is totally done, and that's after the Tower of Power. Now, a lot of lessons sometimes have a bonus thing that you can do afterwards. That is not required to complete the lesson, but until you get this whole little thing here saying that lesson 1 complete, you're not done. So what I want you to do is next time you go into Zearn, pay attention to that. You have a lot of things to do before you're actually done with the whole lesson. So I hope this video was helpful in clearing up some confusion. I would switch into one of the student views, but again, it's going to kick me out of the recording of this video. And that's just been really annoying in trying to get all of these videos recorded for you. So I hope that this cleared up some confusion about what you need to be doing. One of these little start button things is not a lesson. It's a part of the lesson. You need to go until you see that it says lesson complete. And if you're still having questions on what you're supposed to be doing, as always, reach out to me. I've been able to clear up for a few of you, but some of you haven't reached out to me and you're not doing the full lesson. So I wanted to put this video together to make sure that you know what you're doing. I'll see you guys next time.